What's up, sneaker fans? Thanks for tuning in to another unboxing and review. Today, I'm taking a look at the Air Max Plus. In 1998, the Air Max Plus, or Air Max TN referring to the tuned air unit, was released for the first time, and last year in 2018, we received this special edition re-release of the Air Max Plus in the OG Hyper Blue colorway. Super excited about this release. The Air Max Plus is one of my favorite Air Max silhouettes, but enough intro, let's get into the review, starting with the packaging. Nike went all out on nostalgia and design focus for this release, the box featuring the palm tree details on the upper of the shoe, and for the 20th anniversary, Nike released a pack of 3 OG colorways. The box together actually creates the silhouette of the Air Max Plus, a nice touch by Nike for collectors. Inside, some info on the Air Max Plus anniversary, and the paper features some of the design sketches of the shoe. This is a really nice addition to the box, getting a look at these drawings of the original design with the shoes in hand. But enough with the packaging, let's get into the shoes with some first impressions. This is easily one of my top 10 favorite shoes. The gradient upper, 3M reflective strips, and clear toe guard just go together so well. I'm happy I was able to get a fresh pair of these. Taking a closer look, the colors on the upper are vibrant and the gradient is super nice. And to me, really what sets this pair of shoes apart from others. The mesh on the upper looks breathable and feels soft on your feet. The welded black TPU overlays have a matte finish and are smooth to the touch. The tongue detail, mudguard, and heel is made of a black synthetic leather, which I think is a change because I remember these pieces being nubuck. At the time, tuned air was Nike's newest cushioning tech, and for it to be featured on the Air Max Plus was a big deal, so Nike added the TN logo prominently all throughout the shoe, like on the heel, the outsole, and the insole. The tuned air unit is colored bright in yellow and red, just like the OG, and the midsole colors are just like the OG, with black and white paint in the usual places. The forefoot air units are also colored in this bright yellow. Moving down to the outsole, you'll find some more of those palm tree designs that you can find on the upper in the box. The plastic shank is in this shape I always found interesting, and I've come to find it was actually designed to look like two halves of a whale's tail. A nice extra that comes with this anniversary pair is a set of anatomical arch supports, which is a nice piece of history. Nike used to release these with their shoes as an accessory, and to see them return here in this packaging and this color is very nostalgic. These would be stuck on the inside of your insole for some additional arch support. The insole is in blue with a nice graphic of the tuned air unit on the heel. A feature of this air unit was it contained different PSI chambers, which is how it got the name tuned air. This allowed for a much smoother ride. And that about brings us to the end of this review. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and watch out for the next video.